Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'll just get my coffee. Okay, you see before you a 50 by 40 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas, and I'll just put some black paint on it. I'm going to have a bit of fun. I have orange, cyan blue, turquoise, black and white. And what I'm going to do in a minute, the turquoise, cyan and orange have a bit of silicone in them, OGX. That's a glass of water, which I don't need anymore. I'm going to take this downstairs. I've put a big sheet of plastic down and I'm going to stay upstairs, and I have a balloon. Just an ordinary, it came from my grandson's birthday party, white balloon. And I'm going to, with this, the aid of the funnel, get that in there somehow. It should go in eventually. And then I'm going to fill it up with these paints. And then I'm going to drop them from upstairs down onto the canvas, which will be downstairs, and it's about I don't know. I'll have to get the height, and then I can tell you. So I'm just going to put this onto the funnel. Please go on nicely. Don't be getting holes. In you go. Oh, easier said than done. Okay, it's in. I'll have to hold that. Alright, so the funnel's on the balloon. I don't know how much paint I'm going to get in there. Hopefully I will get some. Enough anyway. Alright, so that's on there, that's good. So I'm going to, actually I think what I might do is take the canvas downstairs first and then come back and do this, because I don't know that I'll be able to put that down anywhere. I don't have anywhere to hold it. So, although it'll probably sit like that. Let's try it and see. Alright, so, no, I don't think I will. I'm going to take the canvas down and I'll be back in a minute. Don't go away. Alright, now for the second part, the putting in of the colours. And I'll just take out these. So the first one in can be a bit of turquoise, some orange, just a little bit of black, some white, blue, I don't know that it's going to take too much more. Alright, we'll just see if I can get this in, but I don't like my chances. Oops, it's very slippery. No. Now what? Into that. Where's that? Alright, well, so I've got this amount, and alright, so I'm just going to hold it. I'll have to wipe my hands. Switch you off while I bring you out. So, I think I've got you about as best as I can get you. And so here I am with the balloon. I'm just going to grab it by the bottom. Try and... Oh, my arms aren't long enough. Oh, what a failure. Alright. I did get some splash there. Don't go away. My arms aren't long enough. Just one moment. Okay, I'm back. I'll give it another try. Miscalculated my arms, didn't I? Alright. So I've got a cup this time with paint in it, and oh yeah, that's much better. I have to know to bring that in a bit closer. Perhaps I should have gone down and done that. A bit of less wind would have helped too, but alright. So I'll just go down and get it and I'll bring it up. So that's what I got, and I quite like it, but I would like more blue. So I'm going to put some turquoise in with this blue and some white. I don't think it needs any more orange. And a bit of black, and I've got some more cyan over here. Where are you, cyan? And I'm going to do the same thing, but I won't take all the paraphernalia back outside again. I'll just bring this painting back when it's done. Alright, and we'll put it a lot closer so I don't have to lean over the banister rail. And I shall be back in about a dip. Well, that time I got it. I'm just going to give it a bit of a torch. I know it's got air bubbles, I saw them. Got them all. Well, that was fun. Yeah, next time I'll have it within my arm's reach, and this is really pretty. Right, so I'm not going to touch it. Nothing. I like the dribbles and the drabbles and the splashes and the lines. The colours are brilliant. Yeah. I'll bring you down to have a look, eh? I'm going to do another one of those. And next time I'll probably get a bigger balloon. Alright, so there we go. And as you can see, I do have some cell activity. I didn't really know whether or not I'd get any. The OGX doesn't like being, you know, slopped around too much and throwing it off from a great height, which is about, I don't know what it is in feet, so it's about 2.5 meters, 3 meters I think it is, so you can work that one out. That's how high I just dropped the paint from, which is another reason why we don't really want to fall down the back stairwell, because it's not the fall that hurts, it's just the bump at the bottom that gets you. I really like this. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And bye for now. I thought I'd come back and show you this. What happened? After I said goodbye and I left the painting, I went chasing dogs who were barking, and when I came back I realised that the painting wasn't level, and it had started to dribble off toward that way. But what it has actually done, I think, is enhanced itself. I really like it now, a whole lot, since it came across to this other corner. So I thought I'd bring you back and let you have a look at it, and it's also a warning, to make sure that your paintings are level, or you could easily lose them. Had I not come back, I think most of this painting would have just slipped off onto my plastic. So there you are, and so that's my painting, and I really like it, and I'm going to call it Mystic Mountain. Do you think that's a good name? I do. Alright. Thanks again. Bye again.